Hello, everyone. I'm here today to talk to you about the role application dependency mapping plays when you're consolidating data centers, right? So before we talk about the consolidation of the data center, let's talk about what is application dependency mapping in brief terms, right? So again, it is a so-called process of documenting or visualizing relationships or dependencies that exist between the different applications, the network, the infrastructure resources that exist within a data center environment, right? So in my mind, it is a very critical step in data center consolidation. Any initiatives you take that you are involved with for data center consolidation, as you are trying to streamline your data center infrastructure as such, right? So let's go ahead and talk about what are some of those important aspects there, right? And the role that application dependency mapping plays, right? So with the application dependency mapping, IT organizations can identify all the applications that are running in the environment, right? You can understand which applications are dependent on which servers or infrastructure resources, right? So this is a very important or critical aspect, right? As you're planning your data center consolidation effort, right? Because it's going to help you figure out the risks or the challenges that may be associated with that whole initiative as such. Application dependency mapping, because it gives you insights into the usage, the dependencies, of different applications. It can help you prioritize the applications for consolidations so that you can plan and execute that data center consolidation initiative in a much better manner, right? It also helps you analyze the impact and of this data center consolidation effort, as well as mitigate a lot of risks, right? Because you know the dependencies that exist between the application and the infrastructure components, right? You can plan for risks and challenges like maybe your application performance degradation or it being not available, right? Downtime, right? And then it'll help you figure out some mitigation strategies to minimize those risks as well, right? Application dependency mapping, right, can also help you optimize your resource allocation as part of the data center consolidation initiative, right? So you know exactly which applications are using what resources, right? Are there redundant resources? Are there underutilized resources, right? Anything that you can do, right, to not only maximize your performance of the applications, but also take into account if there's opportunities to do some cost savings there as well. So application dependency mapping will play that critical role in that resource allocation as such, right? So what all of this will do is it's going to help you streamline your migration planning, right? You know all the relationships, you know all the dependencies that exist between the applications and the resources, right? To allow you to create that you can call the concrete plan or a roadmap for migrating those applications or infrastructures as part of your data center consolidation effort, right? That is all I wanted to cover today. Again, if you want to look more into application dependency mapping, you can visit the Uila website and take a look at the Uila application dependency mapping functionality. Again, it is completely automated. It gets updated dynamically in real time. And plus, Uila does have the capability of classifying almost 4,000 different applications, including web, database, healthcare, financial applications. So all those capabilities go a long way in planning and then executing an efficient data center consolidation effort. Thank you, everyone.